In each chain 1 space from round 7, work 1 large loop stitch, then chain 8. Repeat around and join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first loop. Crochet gives meaning to my life. In the act of creating, I come into contact with both the good and the difficult in my life. I contemplate it, I analyze it, I move through it. And in teaching, I meet the other, I meet you. I communicate through the thread. Now we are going to work this round with 2 colors. First, use Parma Violet, and after that, Pale Rose. The fans will alternate all the way around. Begin by making 1 single crochet in the chain 8 space from the previous round. Way around. Then make 1 single crochet in the next chain 8 space. In the chain 1 space from round 7, work 7 double crochets to form the fan. Then make 1 single crochet in that same chain 8 space and chain 6 again. Repeat this sequence 3 more times, then join with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Meaning does not always reveal itself all at once. Very often, it is discovered in the concrete situation. In this moment. In the decision, in the next possible step. There is no need to understand everything beforehand. Sometimes it is enough to recognize what this moment is asking of us, and to respond with freedom. Now join pale rose and work in the remaining spaces, so the Parma violet fans and the pale rose fans alternate evenly around the round. Total for both colors: 64 double crochets, 32 single crochets, and 16 chain 6 spaces. Stay with the same color as each fan from the previous round. In the first chain 6 space, work 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet. Then make 6 puff stitches between the double crochet stitches of the fan. To respond with freedom is not to do just anything. It is to choose, even within limits, how I will look at this moment, beyond what others might wish to impose on my gaze. It is to decide what attitude I will take, not the one others choose for me. I cannot always change what I am called to live through, but I can decide how I want to stand before it. In the next chain 6 space, work 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet, and 2 chains before moving on. There are moments when life can strip us of almost everything, but inner freedom remains. The freedom to decide how I will place myself before what I am living through. I do not always choose what happens to me. I cannot always change the circumstances. But I can still choose. In the face of the circumstances I am called to live through, the attitude with which I go through them. And in that intimate choice, something remains that no one can decide for me. My way of holding myself. My way of remaining human. Thank you for crocheting with me. And remember, here there is always a chair, a little light and company. We keep going together.